Hey guys, so as you can see, the seatbelt is on the wrong side, or the right side if you're sitting on the passenger side, which is what I'm sitting on. So as you can see, there's some angling it wrong. There's some bedding up there. Here's my new student. Student, what is your name?
Bracket.
Bracket. I'm still learning how to pronounce that one exactly correct. But he's my new student. Picked him up yesterday. Today's actually his first day. And he's actually doing really fantastic. He has a few issues like every student does. But overall, I'm actually quite happy. So I think he's going to be pretty good. We might do some parking videos soon. I'm still kind of just working with him, trying to get his parking where it should be. But here's something very interesting. I have a hole in the back wall of my trailer. In the back hole. Oh my God, I can't talk straight today. I have a hole in the back wall of my truck. So how the hell it got there, I'm not 100% sure. And I didn't get a picture of it before it got sealed up. Oh, stop. Before it got sealed up. So it's like the size of a dime. And so I'm thinking I was bobtailed at some point, and something got caught up with my tires and it lodged it in the back wall of my truck. And it went right into the, went right past the aluminum, and you could actually see the padding of the back bunk. And so my truck is going to go into the body shop next week when my student gets his first 50 hours. We're going to go home, and we're probably going to be home, or get to go home for 2-3 days. Go out a little bit more. All right, now turn. And so that's going to be kind of nice. You know, he's going to be able to go home for a little bit, see, you know, his family. I'm going to go home, spend a little bit of time. Probably go meet up with the, you know, all my, you know, siblings and whatnot, and my mom. So that'd be kind of cool. I might have some videos of me fishing or doing something. I don't know. Might try to go shooting. That'd be kind of fun. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, today is Thursday. This week's paycheck is really going to be kind of shitty. Partly because I got a student. So I took off Tuesday, didn't get a really good run, as you guys know. Sat around all day Wednesday, didn't make any money Wednesday. And then today and tomorrow, we're only going to get a few miles, not a whole lot of miles. Today is only like maybe 400, but 5 stops. No, 6 stops. Not counting the DC. So my student's going to be backing up today alone 7 times. Out of that, all those times, he's already backed up 4 times, and the first time it was really quite bad. He knows it, I know it, we all know it, including y'all. But the last back he did, I didn't help him all that much, just a little, and he did it very well. It wasn't pretty, but it was good enough for government's work. You know, the dock plate was able to get in the trailer, and we were able to unload the trailer. You know what? That's the only thing that matters. It don't got to be pretty. So, to go from not very good to, like, getting it in on the 4th try, that's actually quite shocking. And, yeah, you know, it's going to be kind of interesting to watch him develop his driving abilities. And then, you know, the other issue a lot of people have is, you know, going around turns. You know, he's kind of doing it kind of like a car still, so we'll break that. You know, that's easy. But anyway, that's basically the end of this video. I just thought I would reach out, let you guys kind of know what's kind of going on. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at that. Oh, look at that helicopter. Oh, that is pretty cool. I have not seen that before.
So where's the Walmart?
I have not been to the, oh, we are now looking for Walmart. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe, and I gotta go. Later.